Do you post on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
How many subscribers?
About 40. What's getting there?
Somewhere, huh?
Pretty much. I just post it for my own entertainment, pretty much. I like to see what I can work on and all that. What?
I was here in spirit.
Most of you. Okay. For those of you who played, how did you feel about the mud on first field? In terms
Pretty
of
bad.
It was pretty
I felt
okay.
fine with it.
To be honest, no,
I was drowning.
It was good.
the deepest puddle isn't that deep.
No, it's pretty deep.
Almost
It's hard
sunk.
to assault into mud. Yeah.
But you can camouflage in it pretty well. Saw a bunch of kids biff it over here. Go through that door.
I didn't even play it.
I'm willing to lie down in the front puddle for camo.
We're gonna lie down the
Predator. And then I'm gonna regret it when I have to clean my guns.
And all your kids.
Well, the kid can just go in the washing machine.
Oh.
Yeah, see, it's fine until I have to wash the Hawaiian shirt.
Let's start the game.
When did you get the Hawaiian shirt in Hawaii, though?
Gonna kill everyone.
Walmart.
That scared the shit out of me. Yeah, there's a Walmart in Hawaii.
Guys, at least try to be behind the first two steps of shit.
Yep, there's the kickstart.
What kind of gun is
Do you run track, bro?
Pretty neat.
Dude, Loki looks like a Norbert sniper.
not at
This?
Right
Yeah.
on my leg.
Oh, his? Yeah.
gonna try and take it away
I wonder where I should go.
I mean, that seems like a good idea.
I'm kind of
but
thinking we rush
The
to that
crate.
shed.
The shed?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to go to the shed? Are we going?
No.
I feel like it's kind of in the moment thing.
It's gonna be hard.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh, gross. Fuck that. Did I really just run? Holy shit, I ran out of ammo already.
It's gonna pop out. Yeah.
They're all dead over there. Reloading, guys.
What?
Reloading.
Is that crate the Darkcoms empty? Is that crate empty?
I think that crate is, yeah. I wasn't getting shot at from it, so.
I'm gonna pop some rounds into them. Oh no, my kid. Oh no. Okay, look at me. Look at me in this game. Oh no.
Got one.
My kid.
Hey, I got one down by the log. Watch him.
Oh.
guy by the house.
Which house?
The log house straight this way.
The tiny one, or?
Yeah, I don't know if he's down or not. I can see his arms sticking out.
I'm gonna just shoot him, make sure.
Yeah. Okay.
By the logs?
Yeah, the log. You see it? Okay. Okay.
Do you want to push up to this white little thing?
The little box?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Oh, hey, careful. No. There's one on the stumps. Back left. This entire right side is clear. Okay. All right, I'll cover if you guys want to go to the shed and get those.
Oh, watch out, he's coming.
Coming?
Shit. Reloading.
He's at the logs by
Yep, he's right behind the logs. If we push him, we can probably get him.
All right, I'll cover. You guys go.
I'm gonna try and get to this shack, okay?
Hey, careful. He's in the bushes, left side of the bush.
Shit.
Left side of the shed by the...
Got him.
All right, here, I'll cover.
Woo!
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good.
Thanks. Do I have to walk back to spawn?
Neil!
Do I have to go back to spawn?
No, you're on my team.
So I don't have to go back.
I gotta reload. Fuck. Just cover me, man. Good shit.
On that far side.
10-4. Hold on, don't, not yet. I'm almost done.
You want to borrow Matt?
If I could, that'd be awesome, dude. Oh. I'll get it in a minute, hold on. All right. We should get in jailhouse, man.
Reloading. Trying to make it here. Oh, that fucking bullshit. We got a sniper behind there, I think. I don't know if he's still dead or not. Yeah, he's still dead.
Let's push up to jailhouse, dude.
Okay, I'm down with it. Let me put my mag in my... You getting him or no?
He's gotta be hit, dude.
He's not hit.
He's hit. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Woo! Shit! we should get in their spawn, bro.
Can you cover?
Yeah, I gotcha.
Well, I ain't running. That's completely energy.
Yo, we killed them all, bro. We fucking, oh. Fuck yeah.